What's up, traveler?
We're your favorite travel guides. I'm Eka.
And I'm Tony. And today we are going to Singapore! Tara! Sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
Let's go! Medyo napalakas. Let's go!
So, madaming tao ngayon sa immigration. Pumila kami ng 45 minutes.
And ngayon, pupila na naman kami for the lounge. So, medyo full sila. We gave our number for the wait list. So, magme-message na lang daw sila. Either they transfer us to another lounge or pag may umalis. So, dito muna kami.
Ayun. And then, medyo maganda yung experience ko sa immigration officer.
Ang saya nila.
Pag-checkahan siya sa akin. Kasi we're going to Singapore. And then, sabi niya, pupunta daw ng Eras Tour or Taylor Swift. Sabi ko, no. Tapos na kasi siya. So, ayun. So, chika-chika kami. So, maganda yung experience. Huwag kayo matakot. Kung talagang tourism lang ang pakay nyo abroad, wala magiging problema.
Yes. So, we'll just wait here na until i-message kami.
Yes. See you.
Finally boarding!
Yes, on time si Cebu Pacific.
Yes, and good job to Cebu Pacific because they're strictly enforcing the group number.
Yes, so maayos siya, hindi siya magulo.
Yeah.
So hindi nila pinapapasok kung hindi yung group number yung tinawag nila.
Very good. Good job, Cebu Pacific.
So we're just waiting for the plane to fly.
On its own.
On its own. Ayun, nauna kami kasi group 2 kami. So, mag-aantay tayo ngayon. So,
Bye for now, Manila.
Pwede bang tayo naman yung inaantay? Hindi yung tayo nag-aantay.
Eh, kaso tayo nag-aantay ngayon. Bye for now, Manila.
See you later, Singapore!
Our flight time is approximately 3 hours, and for information, there's no time difference between Manila, Philippines and Singapore.
We're here in Singapore! Let's go!
Manala papa.
We arrived 30 minutes early.
Good job talaga si Cebu Pacific.
Good job ka ngayon. There's a water refilling station by the toilets. So, nag-refill muna kami ng tumblers namin. Dito lang siya before reaching the immigration. So, just in case lang wala kaming makitang 7-Eleven or what, at least may water kami.
We're done with the immigration and sobrang automated nila.
Yes.
Actually sa Manila naman automated na, pero dito
High-tech.
super mega over.
Sobrang bilis lang nung ano. And guys, reminder, do not take photos in the immigration line.
Or video.
Or videos. Kahit machine lang siya. Kasi super bawal siya.
So, hindi namin pwede ipakita sa vlog kasi super bawal. Bawal na bawal.
Yeah. So, yun. We're just gonna get our bags. And then, first order of business, SIM card.
And then, mag-withdraw kami ng pera.
Yep. Before namin i-figure out paano kami pumunta sa hotel. Kasi, it's already 12 midnight. So, bahala na. Let's go!
Tara! Sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
So we got our luggages na. So next is SIM card. We booked the SIM card through Klook. I'll put the link down below. Let's go!
Tara!
So the SIM card we booked through Klook. It's 100 gig for 14 days kahit 5 days lang kami dito. Well, technically 4 days. And you pick it up here. Ayan. So paglabas lang ng arrival after the carousel, nandyan na siya sa UOB. So we're here at 12 midnight. Yung pick-upan ng SIM card is open for 24 hours. So you won't have any problems with it. Sa pag-redeem nyo kahit anong oras pa dumating yung flight nyo, which is really good. So after the SIM card, we'll withdraw from the ATM. Kita ko na kung nasan sila. I'll show you later. And they also have free Wi-Fi. Just choose the Changi Wi-Fi. And ayan, automatic you get connected. So walang problema kung wala pa yung SIM card nyo and you need to go online na. SIM card.
One SIM, your passport, please.
Yes, here.
Thank you. Once it insert, just restart.
Alright, thank you so much. Okay, so we got the SIM card and they also ask for your passport, so have that ready then. So they only ask for the Klook QR code. So if you want to get your SIM card through Klook, we'll put the link below. And you can use our promo code Chubby Explorers to get more discount. Kakabit na natin ang ating SIM card para connected tayo kahit paglabas ng Changi Airport. So nakabit na natin yung SIM. So we have this pocket Wi-Fi. We bought it lang sa mall. Medyo matagal na rin. Meron din siguro sa Shopee. We got this for like 2,500 pesos. And we're gonna see if it's gonna work. Minsan it does, minsan it doesn't. But if it won't work, meron naman kaming extra phone. Kasi yung mga phones namin locked sa network. So, hindi siya pwede. But we have an extra phone that we can use in case this one doesn't work. Pero bago lahat, sana bumukas muna siya. The SIM card. Micro SIM. And
so, it's a nano SIM.
yeah.
Pero kung hindi naman nano SIM yung gadget nyo, may mga sizes naman siya.
Very usual SIM card. Let's see if it's gonna work. Hopefully it does. Para wala kaming problema. Ayan, nag-on na siya. Still searching siya. Oh, there you go. Tingnan natin sa phone natin. Check ko lang sa phone ko. Go to settings. And then Wi-Fi. Oh yeah, we're connected. So, next task, withdraw. Let's go.
At may Wi-Fi naman dito sa airport.
Yes.
So, hanggat nandito kayo, meron kayong Wi-Fi. So, connected kayo. So, ang magiging problema nyo lang is yung paglabas nyo ng airport. That is the reason why we bought a SIM card. Or pwedeng mag-rent ng Wi-Fi.
So, mag-review tayo. There's the exit. You get the SIM from there. And right here, konting kembot lang, are the ATMs. So, mag-withdraw tayo ngayon. Meron kaming dalawang cards na gagamitin. So, we have GoTime and
Gcash.
Gcash. So, pili na lang kayo dyan at hindi namin alam ano talaga yung mga rates dyan. Sa Gcash, yung winidraw ko is 250 Singapore dollars and the conversion niya is 10,740 pesos. Plus, kasama na doon yung $8 na service fee. That's around 330 pesos. So, not bad. Mas mura pa rin siya kaysa kung nagpapalit kayo ng peso to Singapore dollars.
Winner pa din. Kasi sa akin naman, conversion is 43.23. So, 700 to 800 pesos. Not bad for amount ng winidraw ko. So, winner pa din ang ATM withdrawal.
Yes. So, now we're gonna go to our hotel. We'll try to use Grab. Balitaan namin kayo in a bit. So, again, class, mag-review tayo. Doon ang exit. Doon yung SIM card. Doon ang ATM. And then, in front of the information, dito sa likod ko, this is where you can have your Grab pick you up. Ga-grab kami. Hala, malapit na si Kuya. Ayan. So, it's around 23 Singapore dollars. Tapos, pinasok ko rin yung Gcash card ko sa Grab para auto-debit na lang siya from there. Tara. At gusto na rin naming magpahinga. Let's go! So, dito lang sa labas, from base 4 to 8, dito nyo pwedeng antayin yung inyong Grab. Okay guys, literal na mabilis ang room tour. This is it. That's your room. May TV. May sabitan dito ng mga damit. May bed. And, ayan na. So, yung CR naman, ayan siya. Lababo, the toilet, and then the shower. So, it's small, but it's clean. So, that's our room, Camleng Hotel. If you want to book them through Klook, we'll put the link below. So, smart TV na rin yung TV nila. They have Netflix, YouTube. So, at home tayo dito. Aircon. Malamig naman so far. Kakain lang muna kami. So, ayan. May malapit na parang hawker sa hotel namin. I'm gonna look for something to eat. Super late dinner here. We're ordering bakude and braised intestines. Intestine is for $12.80. Bakude is $7.90, and then we ordered rice. And here's our first meal in Singapore. Intestines and bakude. And a hungry Tony.
I'm not that hungry.
We're gonna eat. Marunong na. So good guys. Ang sarap nito. Yung bakude medyo maanghang-anghang. Pero ang sarap din ng flavor niya. Yung intestine may lasang star anise. But it's really good. Good first meal in Singapore. So we had our first meal here at Bistro 8. Ang ingay nila, so hindi na ako magsasalita. Basta masarap siya, super. And they're open pa ng gantong oras. It's already 1:47.
In the morning.
Really good meal. Let's go. Pahinga na tayo. Mamaya pupunta kami sa Universal Studios. Kailangan ganun talaga ang pitch pag sasabihin mo yon. Let's go. Good night. So, yan yung hotel namin. Camleng Hotel. Since 1938.
Good morning from Singapore, and today we are going to Universal Studios.
Yes, so now it's 9:23 AM. So we got here kagabi actually madaling araw na 12 midnight, and around 3 na kami nakatulog. So medyo late kami gumising ngayon. But for this day, Universal lang naman ang nasa agenda namin, and a hawker place after for dinner. So hanggang gabi kami sa USJ. But right now, we're gonna look for a place to eat. Samahan nyo kami. Let's go!
Tara na!
Currently on our way to a hawker place. Sinearch lang namin sa internet. Dito pa rin kami sa street ng hotel namin called Jalan Bazaar. So hindi talaga ito yung hinahanap namin, pero may nakita na kami along the way. So we'll try it here na. So joke lang, hindi muna kami doon, wala kaming type. So go kami diretso dun sa isa pang hawker na original naming pupuntahan. There's a fresh orange juice vendo here. And yung isa Ben & Jerry's. Wow. So we found the hawker center. It's called Perse Food Center. Try natin. So ito siya, 10-minute walk from our hotel. So joke lang ulit. Yung mga gusto namin kasi sarado pa. Tapos mostly nang bukas. Pare-pareho lang. Same food na kinain namin kagabi or kaninang madaling araw. So hanap kami ng iba. May nadaanan kami na parang Chinese restaurant. So
Natawid muna kami.
Tawid lang siya. Doon namin.
Bawal ang jaywalking.
Bawal ang jaywalking. So try namin doon sa nadaanan namin na Chinese restaurant.
Para siyang Tim Ho Wan. Ganon.
So ito siya, Sweet Chun Dim Sum Restaurant. Try natin dito. So it looks like Tim Ho Wan, pati yung menu nila. Parang Tim Ho Wan din. We're gonna eat here. So the way to order here in Sweet Chun is they have a QR code right here. And then dyan mo o-orderin yung mga food. So ayan, para siyang Tim Ho Wan talaga yung menu niya. Tapos nag-range siya from mga $4, $3. Ayan, so may mga dim sum. Ayan, so antayin natin ang ating order. So here's our order. Dumpling. So we got French toast. This is glutinous rice with chicken. Bean curd and oyster sauce. And egg tart. Plus iced coffee. So guys, kung napanood nyo yung Malaysia vlog namin, meron kaming nahanap na coffee sa convenience store na sobrang sarap na araw-araw ko talaga iniinom. And this coffee right here tastes the same. Oh my God! Ang sarap! As in, mukhang dito kami magbe-breakfast araw-araw. Or at least dito kami bibili ng coffee. So, and now we're getting ready to eat. Kain lang kami. See you later.
OMG! Yun lang ang masasabi ko sa food. Sobrang sarap. Actually, kagabi pa, sobrang sarap na nung mga kinakain namin. So, I think Singapore cuisine will be my second favorite after Japan.
Spent around $28 for our breakfast here. Okay, let's go now to
Universal Studios.
May dumaan. Let's go now to Universal Studios. Tara! So, we're using Google Live. Going to the bus stop. So, hanapin lang namin yung bus station. Ay, bus stop pala. We're just waiting for the bus here. We're gonna ride bus number 65. And for this ride, we will use GCash and GoTime card. That's our bus 65. We're currently riding the bus going to Viva City. Tapos from there, we're gonna take the train to Universal Studios. Then, masasarayan mag-bus para may sightseeing na nakasama. Kasi ganda talaga ng views dito eh. Although 39 minutes siya. Halos ganun din naman if you take the train. So, bus tayo for this video.
And gumana yung GoTime card namin.
Yes, GoTime sa kanya, GCash sa akin.
Naghiwalay muna kami ni Chab Eka ng seat dito sa bus kasi yung isa sa amin nahuhulog. So, 21 stops bago kami bumaba. So, it will take a while. And we're going to Universal Studios.
So if you're going to Sentosa from Vivo City, you go to level 3 for the Sentosa Express. So this will take you to Sentosa, Universal, and all of the other attractions and places in Sentosa. So that's where we're going right now. So this is the Sentosa Express going to Sentosa. So in the trains, there's no eating, no smoking, no pets, and no durian. And we're here at Resorts World Station, walking na to Universal Studios.
And hindi ganun kainit. Mainit, pero hindi gantong temperature na expect namin. Mas mainit pa. Pero ngayon, gloomy!
Yes. So sana buong araw ganito kasi tanghaling tapat po right now, guys.
From winter, galing kami ng winter to summer.
Real quick.
Yes.
Okay, let's go walk to Universal Studios.
Tara!
There's a food park there before going in if you want to eat outside. So we got our tickets via Klook. We're gonna use this to enter the park. Thank you. So it's super convenient kasi wala ka nang ipiprint, wala na silang kailangan kunin sa'yo. Yung nasa phone mo lang pwede na. So let's go around Universal Studios Singapore.
Let's see kung sasakay kami.
Let's go. So we're here at the Minion Mart. Super daming cute na Minions. Merch. They have shirts. So yung shirt na ganito, it costs 38 SGD. Just so you have an idea. And then a stuffed toy like this is for $40 SGD. This one. Ang daming shirts. Sobrang cute. They have bags, pillow, headband. So nice. Caps, tumblers. Ayan.
Super saya! Kahit ang init!
We're in line for the Sesame Street Spaghetti Space Chase. Start pala extreme rides agad tayo, guys.
Super extreme.
Super extreme. Siyempre, bilang matapang na tao tayo eh.
So, spaghetti muna.
Spaghetti Space Chase muna tayo. Still in line for the Sesame Street Spaghetti Chase. This is the most extreme ride, guys. Hindi kayo matapang, huwag nyo na itong subukan. Mas excited akong bumalik sa aircon kesa sa ride. Eto na, aircon na.
Pero masaya siya kahit mainit.
And hindi siya yung init na ina-expect namin. So, we expected the worst, but I'm so happy na hindi siya ganun sobra.
Pero yung sebo sa katawan ko, ito na, tumutulong na.
Ay, aircon na ulit. Dito na kami, natatakot kami. Ang extreme na ride.
You're going to space in that thing? Good luck. You can do it.
Yeah.
Sobrang nahilo ko.
We saved the day!
Ang saya niya.
And extra headlights, camera action. Unahin na natin yung ma-extreme talaga, guys. So, let's go here to lights, camera action.
Parents with young children, please do not place your child on the handrail.
Seek shelter immediately.
That was amazing! Medyo nabasa ako. Pero sobrang saya. May pa-surprise. So, try nyo din. Pumunta kayo sa USS.
Ang ganda ng experience, guys. Try nyo to. At dahil mainit, magja-gelato muna kami. Thank you! We got the Biscoff for $10.
So, let's try. Try na natin. Hindi matay. Masarap.
Dahil mahal, share na lang kami. Sarap nga.
Hindi matayin ka din.
Biscoff, yeah, I love Biscoff. Upo tayo dito. O, pulang muna kami. And we'll ride the Transformers.
It's Rocket. He's after the Allspark. Behind you. Got it.
So, how was it?
Compared sa Iron Man and Spider-Man, mas chill. Pero kung may motion sickness kayo, we don't recommend you to ride these Transformers kasi sobrang galaw niya talaga.
Dami niyang galaw.
Dami
Tapos
niyang galaw.
yung lights. So, naka-trigger siya ng matatrigger sa inyo. Pero kung game din naman kayo sa ganun, hindi kayo mahihilohin, go for it. Fun din naman siya. We're gonna watch the Trolls in this theater. Ang saya-saya ng Trolls!
Yes!
Super happy. Panoorin nyo rin pag get the chance, pag nandito kayo sa USF. Super fun niya.
My favorite is coffee!
So they're selling cold drinks here. We're gonna get cold buko for $7. Yan. May mga tea rin. Here. The water is for $4. Yan, init kasi eh. Para ma-refresh, saka balik ang electrolytes. Thank you.
Nag-promise na ako.
Sarap.
Thank you.
It's so refreshing. Mainit kasi. Pero sobrang refreshing nito. And meron din dito carnival games where you can win some stuffed toys, mga ducks, mga throw mo yung ball dun sa can, tsaka shoot. Yan. So, yung Minion Land, under construction pa. Pero hindi yata Minions yung gumagawa. Feeling ko mga tao. So, ayan. It's still under construction. But it said that they're gonna open 2024. Okay, we're gonna do the Shrek 4D adventure. Theater ulit.
Not allowed at any point of
4D this time.
How was it, Beshi?
Fun. Fun.
Creepy lang, pero hindi naman sabihin kung bakit. Pero
may part lang doon, pero masaya siya. Nakakagulat lang. But it was all good and fun siya. Yun lang. This is Puss in Boots Giant Journey. But we're not doing it kasi 50 minutes yung wait time. Masyado mainit, sayang oras. So,
and baka umulan, so isasara din nila yan.
Oo, baka parang paulan na rin eh.
It's gloomy.
Okay, let's go. So it's already 3:30. Ngayon pa lang kami magla-lunch. We're gonna eat here at Goldilocks. Hindi yung Goldilocks Bake Shop sa Pilipinas ha. So here's our meal. Chicken, fries. I don't know what this is. Soup?
I think so.
Yes, I got extra onion rings. Food comes with the drink. Si Tony, ang extra niya is rice. So, yung kinain ko, piece chicken, combo siya with fries, drink, tsaka para siyang corn soup na mahablanca. Hindi namin maintindihan kung ano. Masarap naman, medyo weird lang. And then I ordered extra onion ring. I paid 27 SGD. Si Tony naman, same siya, yung 2-piece chicken with fries combo din. And nag-order siya ng rice. Her bill is 25 SGD. Okay lang, masarap yung chicken. Juicy naman. Yun lang, yung parang mahablanca lang na soup. Corn soup yung weird. Good meal. Super late, but good meal. So we're gonna go to Waterworld. Let's go, Waterworld. Feeling ko pareho lang siya sa Japan. Pero at least, baka English dito. So finally, maintindihan na natin siya. Okay, so this Waterworld, mas na-appreciate namin kasi naiintindihan namin siya.
English.
Yes. Yung una kasi, di ba, we watched it in Japan. So, parang effects lang, but we didn't really get the story. But this time, it's in English. So, thank you, USS, for this one. Very nice show. And we're now entering Jurassic Park. Hindi na namin masasakyan to haba ng pila. Okay, hanap tayo iba. We'll try the Rapids. Let's go. So we need to rent a locker.
1 hour. Ay, $4. Yeah.
Oh, how much?
$4.
$4. Okay. So no videos inside. We're gonna leave our stuff here. We're gonna ride the rapids. Let's go. So,
sobrang saya! The element of surprise!
Ang saya
Pwede lang
niya.
sasabihin kung ano.
Hindi kami, nabasa kami konti lang. Hindi kagaya sa Enchanted Kingdom. Para kaming mga basang sisiyo. Dito, saktong wisik-wisik lang. Pero, mas masaya siya. So, sulit yung $4 na locker. Kasi bawal talaga kahit camera. Kahit yung action cam ko na naka-wristband naman, hindi pinayagan. So, ayun. Tara pa, ikot pa tayo. Di pa kami tapos.
Try nyo to!
We're now entering ancient Egypt. So, dahil sobrang init, we got here fruit punch for $8. Lasa siyang Kool-Aid na fresh fruit na strawberry na pwede na. Init eh. Time check, 5:40. Naikot na namin lahat. Ang dami naming nasakyan, ang dami naming napanood na show. And pagod na yung katawang lupa namin. But in fairness, hindi pagod ang mga paa ko.
Yes. And then, dami rin namin nakain. At nabili.
Medyo pricey lang yung mga food dito. Pero kung pinaghandaan nyo naman, hindi kayo magugulat. So, binudgetan naman talaga namin to. Kasama siya sa prepare namin because we know how expensive theme park food can be. So, ayun. So, ngayon, iniisip namin, babalik ba kami sa hotel? Or tutuloy-tuloy namin yung gala? Bahala na, nagpapahinga lang kami right now. Thank you, bye! And that's a wrap for our Universal Studios Day here in Singapore.
And sobrang saya niya. Ang dami naming nasakyan, ang dami naming nakain, at ang dami naming nabili. So abangan yung mga susunod namin na theme park.
Yes, if you like this video, don't forget to click like,
Comment, and
subscribe! Hanggang sa susunod na gala!
Paalam! Tananantan!